Are you also looking to make a beautiful and cute handmade card? Then you have come to the right place. Hi friends, I am Amina and today I am going to show you how to make a cute and beautiful birthday card using basic craft supplies. All you need is just color paper, basic stationery and some effort from your side. Just follow the steps that I have shared here and a beautiful handmade birthday card will be ready in minutes. You can make this card for your mother, father, brother, sister, friends or anybody else's birthday. Here I made this beautiful card for my 12-year-old daughter and she was super happy on receiving this. So if you are also interested in making handmade greeting cards, you can check out my greeting card playlist where I have shared greeting cards for different occasions. And finally, a beautiful handmade card is now ready. You can write whatever message you want inside the card. So I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.